Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be doing this liquid trail effect in Houdini. I just recorded a whole fucking tutorial, however I didn't click record, so we're gonna do it again right off the get-go. So first off, drop down a circle node, dive in, set the arc type to open arc, drop a sphere node a bit to the left and set the uniform scale to 1.9, and then drop down a null after the circle and name it as path. Drop down a copy to points node and connect the sphere to this and then this to that, and you should have something like this on the copy to points node. Target points to 0. Circle node, set the uniform scale to 5, and now if you come out a bit, you should have this, and this is our liquid source. Drop a null after the copy to points node and name it as in. Before this null, drop down a flip source and copy the parameter of the particle separation and set it to 0.5. Now come down and drop down a .net and then dive in. Drop down a flip object here, then drop down a flip solver. Connect the flip object to the first input and then the output into the output. On the flip object, set the sup path to the null that is named in. Go on to the guides tab, then go to particles, visualization, particles, and scroll up and paste relative reference into the particle separation. On the fourth input, drop down a pop curve force node, set the sup path to the path null. On the flip solver, on the volume motion tab, scroll down to box size and set it to 14 by 14 by 5. Back on the pop curve force, scroll down to follow scale and set it to 6.2, then the suction scale to 4, and then the orbit scale to 0.05. Then drop down a pop wind after the pop curve force, set the amplitude to 1.25 and the swirl size to 0.73. Come out of here and connect a particle fluid surface node to the .net, then connect a VDB from particle fluid here, paste the relative reference into the particle separation, set the voxel size to 0.42, set the influence scale to 1.5 and the droplet scale to 0.72. Drop down a convert VDB after this and convert it to polygons. Come down and connect a VDB reshape SDF here, and then after the VDB shape SDF, drop down a VDB smooth and set the iterations to 2, and that is how you create this liquid trail effect in Houdini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and check out some other videos. Peace.